Welcome guys. In the previous video we cover Python set data type. Now in the today's video we are going to cover a Python mapping data type which is known as dictionary. So let's open our Anaconda Navigator, click Jupyter Notebook, then click on desktop, Python, create new folder, that is Python dictionary. Then so what is a dictionary? As you know, dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable and indexed. So how to declare dictionary? In Python, dictionary are written with curly brackets and they have keys and values. As you know, set also define using curly bracket, but there is a big difference between set and dictionary. So how to declare set? If you want to declare set, you have to write down my set and 1 2 3. This is nothing but your set. But if you want to declare my dictionary, so my dictionary is equal to curly braces, and you have to add key value pair. So key is, for example, name, then I have to write down wisdom sprouts. Then the next one is programming, then I have to write down Python. So this is how you can declare dictionary into Python using curly braces, but make sure you have to write down key value pair. If you print this, print my dictionary, if you run this program, then you will get this dictionary. Then if you want to access the element, then you can access the item of a dictionary by referring to its key name inside square bracket. So how to do that? If I write down print, then my dictionary of my key name is name. If I print them, then I will get wisdom sprouts. If I print my dictionary of programming, then I will get Python. So this is how you can access the element. Then now if you want to if you want to change the value of specific item by referring to its key name, then how you can do that? You just have to write down the key. Suppose my dictionary of programming will now React.js. If I run this program and I have to use print, and there is one more thing, that is I have to write down something like this. Sorry, this is my mistake. Yeah. If you run this and if you print now dictionary, print my dictionary, then you will get programming is equal to React.js. So referring to its that key, you will change the value of any item. Then if you want to print all the key names into dictionary, then you have to write down something like this: for x in my dictionary, then you have to write down print x. Then they will return you all the keys present into your dictionary. If you want to print the values, then you have to write down print my dictionary of x. Then you will get the values of your dictionary. So if you want to print only the items, then you have to use for x in my dictionary dot items. And if you if you print x, then you will get your all items. Instead of the item, if you use values, then you will get all the values, and instead of value, if you use keys, then you will get all the keys. So this is how you can get the values, get the keys and get the items, that is both key and value, using this for loop. So if you want to delete specific element from your list, so what you have to do, that from your dictionary, So I'm printing my dictionary first, that is print my dictionary. Now suppose I want to delete this programming, so I have to use the pop method, that is my dictionary dot pop, and you have to write your key name. So my key name is a programming, and if I print my dictionary, then you will get the programming is get deleted. And there's a one more concept, that is clear method. If you do something like this, my dict dot clear method, then if you run this and if you try to print my dictionary, then you will get blank. So if you want to clear your dictionary, then you have to use clear method. So guys, this is related to our Python dictionary. So subscribe our channel, click bell icon to get more updates.